And I promised his brother to be ruler of Lanka, so happily I can do this. He meant this. So such is Rama. Such is the real compassion and sympathy. So even while he was in the battle, on the first time when he came confronted to Ravana, then he said, I am giving you still some more time to go back. Now I can kill immediately, I can end your life immediately. But you go back and think over once again, yet to try to rectify yourself. I want you to be alive. I don't want to just kill you like that. You can go back. I am giving chance to you. Go back and come tomorrow. If you still decide to fight, I have no problem. But you choose. So he sent Ravana back. That is the compassion. You see, in the mind of Rama, there is no enmity towards Ravana. Only it is his duty to establish law. So this is to be properly understood. Otherwise, we do not understand these things. So Krishna also, he destroyed several of these demons. But then also he had no hate or anger or spite on these demons. He has only as his work. And that is also, killing the demon means withdrawing that form of him. Because he is the Lord in everybody, in the hearts of even the evil fellows. So that is what you see. Sympathy. And then other is, there are only 4 more virtues that I will mention today. And the next one is, 9th one is humility. This is another important, very important thing. Humility. That is what you see. Humility. So even though they are very great, even though they have done some very great deed, but even then they don't feel that I have done so great thing. They will be very humble. That is what you see with even Rama and Krishna also you see like that. They have done so great things which nobody can do. But they did not feel that I have done such a great thing. They will be very humble and with humility. The same thing you see with masters also. So, either the Lord of the universe, being the Lord of the universe also, he has his humility. So what about us? We should learn this. This is the virtue of the soul, humility. And then the 10th one is patience. That is another trait, another virtue of the soul, patience. Patience. And then the 11th one is tolerance. Tolerance. If you are not able to tolerate others, because nobody is so perfect. Some people think that someone feels that he is very perfect and he cannot tolerate. I say, if there is no perfection, I cannot tolerate. Master Jwalkul said, no one is perfect, even the Christ. This is the sentence of Master Jwalkul. No one is perfect in this creation, even the Christ. There is always a process of perfection, continuous. Everybody is on the process of perfection. So, you should be tolerant to the behavior of others. This we have to practice from our family, because family is the training school for us. If you are intolerant to your wife, to your children, you are not fit for the discipleship. You speak of spirituality, you speak of this, it is of no use. Speaking of truth, speaking of spirituality, all these things are of no use at all. So all your practice should start from your house, your family. How you are with your parents, or with your children, with your members of the family, then it should be extended to the bigger family, that is society. Society is a larger family. Tolerance. And then the last one, persistence. Persistence. So, your attitude, your behavior, everything it depends upon this persistence. If you are continuously focused at that soul light, then there will be no change in your work, in your behavior, in all these things. So it is a persistent, continuous. So even after, when, for example, when you are doing this practice, spiritual practice, when you are trying to live in this manner, even after 10 years, there is no, you are continuing the same manner. The whole life you are continuing, many lives you are continuing. So this persistence. So these 12 are, all these 12 traits, they are the 12 soul qualities or virtues. That is what is explained here. So we continue in tomorrow's class. Vasudeva.